What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and it is new knife day once again. We got the Tops Knives Missile Strike. I mean, look at that freaking thing. It is so awesome. Awesome silhouette, cool blade style. I mean, just what a cool looking combat style knife. Got this one as a gift, so just wanted to do a quick unboxing, or unbagging rather. You guys know how Tops knives come. So out of the bag, onto camera we go. Spec rundown, 11¼ inches overall. Your blade length is just under 6 inches and your cutting edge is just under 5 inches. Your blade thickness, and I kid you not, is 1/4 inch. I mean, look at that blade stock. That's just insane. It is hefty beyond all reason. It's 11.49 ounces. So there's a lot of weight to that. $10.95 obviously from Tops. I forget what they call this coating here. It's Sandstorm or something cool like that. It's very different. It's kind of got like a stone texture to it. I like it. I'm sure that's gonna really catch some streaks from wood or whatever material you're cutting. Unsharpened swedge along the top, about 3/4 of the blade length. Flat grind, obviously a saber grind starting right in the middle, so very thick behind the edge. This is going to be winning no slicing competitions, but obviously that's not what this is designed for. Missile Strike written on the side there. Tops logo, just made in the USA on the other side. 3-bolt construction on those tan canvas micarta scales. They got some decent texture. I love Tops knives handle scales. It's the weirdest thing. They do it better than anyone else. They're perfectly rounded, perfectly centered on the blade. There's no, weird obtrusions, or there's no weird edges. Everything's just perfectly smooth, rounded, feels awesome in the hand. You get that huge finger guard with the lanyard hole along the back. So you can obviously do something there to lash it to your hand. Pretty thick on the scales, 0.8 inches, which is probably what you want if you're gonna be really hard using this knife. Let's see, this thing barely fits on camera. But yeah, awesome knife, super appreciative. I got it as a gift. I don't know what roll I'll put this into, but we can talk about the sheath real quick before that. Obviously, Kydex, they went with a kind of a coyote brown, which is pretty cool. Matches the feel of this knife more than their traditional black. Get 6 grommet holes for lashing, and then something a little different from them. We got a plastic clip. Got good retention, big lip on it to get onto some webbing or a backpack strap or something. 2 bolts holding that on. The retention is fantastic. I mean, listen to that snap. I mean, I'd run this upside down all day without any additional lashing and not even worry about it. Your pommel here has got kind of a spiked end. I'm sure that's for some non-lethal strikes. But very aggressive looking knife, obviously made for a purpose, but you guys know me. I just love Tops knives. So that is the Missile Strike. I'm sure I'll put it into some outdoor use. This might ride on a plate carrier or some LBE or something just for going to the range, but that's badass, can't deny that. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and remember, have fun with your knives.